This repair video for the P061B error code is specifically tailored for Ford's drivers. If your Ford shows up P061B code, this is for you. It indicates that PCM has detected an issue with the engine's torque calculation or performance. This could be due to an internal PCM failure, unexpected sensor data, or other factors. So what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common causes. MAF sensor issues, TCM issues, air filter/air induction issues, PCM software issues, throttle position sensor. Here are 3 simple DIY methods to fix the error code. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. PCM replacement. The PCM is usually located in the engine bay, under the dash or near the firewall, usually mounted with bolts or clips and connected to a wiring harness. Unplug the wiring harness carefully. There may be clips or levers on the connector. Remove any bolts or brackets holding the PCM in place. Take out the old PCM. Install the new PCM in the reverse order. Plug in the wiring harness securely. Secure it with bolts or brackets. The air filter. Find the air filter housing. It's usually a black plastic box. Open the cover to see the air filter inside. Take out the old filter and remember how it was placed. Clean out any dirt or debris inside. Then put in the new filter the same way the old one came out. Make sure the edges are sealed properly, then close the cover and put back the clips or screws. The P061B engine code appears when the ECM detects a mismatch between calculated and actual torque output. It is most common in some Fords and Mazda's vehicles. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.